I found that, there's a connection between your space and yourself. And a lot of people might not see the direct connection, clean this, get that effect. But there's definitely, some sort of peace, calm, like organization, order, just instilled and, just some cleaning. There's some cleaning. So, I'm taking the time right now to just get my space right. You know, there's a lot of times people say, your body and your mind is connected. You do good things for your body, your mind reaps the benefit and vice versa. But it is more than just symbolic, right? It's more than just symbolic that your space or where you stay or, dwell or wherever that might be is symbolic of you, like your actual self, so take a look around you, take a look at, where you at. And some would say it speaks on, you. So, I'm taking this time right now, like I had a really busy, weekend. But what's life if, your space doesn't have peace, if your space doesn't have calm. Soon I'm gonna put a link probably somewhere for some of the essential oils that I put down there on the floor. Good to get your space aromatic, and it might even, bless you with, some good vibes along the way. And if you ever get the time, if you get these essential oils, that's the links. It's gonna be, somewhere here. You look up, symbolically what these, the materials, the essential oils stand for. And, a lot of times, you can infuse, things with that. Like I did my spray bottle when I sprayed. And, use that to not just make your space smell good, but, you might catch a vibe off of it too. Yeah, so it's Christmas time. So I figured, just to make my space, glow or whatever, I'd put up some lights and, just really just enjoy, I'm just fucking around, really just enjoy, the vibe of the holidays. And, for everybody, the holidays isn't always, the best time. But, make sure you take the time to celebrate yourself no matter what the time, Make sure you take the time to get your space right. That's a candle. I might link that as well. Manifesting some calm in my space. So, happy holidays to everybody. Make sure you have the calm of God with you as you go. And make sure, like your space, look around and you can manifest, great things, a better life, just in how you take care of your space.